Hi students, good morning one and all. Myself S. Rajani, Department of Chemistry, Tribal Welfare Degree College, Suryapet. Today we discuss our topic is solid state chemistry. Solid state chemistry is nothing but a branch of a physical chemistry. Today you are going to first of all introduction to the solid state chemistry. First of all, solid state content, we discussing about these fundamental definitions and molecule definitions and principles and packing efficiency and types of unit cell and phase lattice unit cell and close packing in solids and tetrahedral beds and octahedral beds, crystalline solid and the difference between the crystalline solid and amorphous solids. These are the content of solid state. Next one, if solid state, before going to the solids, we discussing physical state of solids. Physical states of solids in depends on what? Mutual attractions and escaping tendency. Mutual attractions means in any two particles are present, the mutual attractions are depends on what? Intermolecular attractions or intermolecular forces. In mutual attractions are depends on what? Intermolecular attractions or intermolecular forces. Next, escaping tendency. Escaping tendency depends on what? Thermal energy. Mutual attractions means any two particles are present, the two particles are in between the two particles, mutual attractions or intermolecular attractions are present, that is called mutual attractions. And escaping tendency, two particles, any two particles present, the particles are present in thermal energy, depends on thermal energy, this is called escaping tendency. Mutual attractions, first of all, in exiting before going to the solids, if any substances or matter can exit in three forms: solid state, liquid state and gaseous state. First of all, solid state. In solid state particles, in for example any two particles are present, the two particles between strong mutual attractions are present. In for example any two particles are tightly binded to attractions, no far away to the particle to another particle, that is called mutual attractions. In strong mutual attractions are present, that is called solid state. In the form of liquid state is mutual attractions in intermolecular forces, any two particles between intermolecular attractions or intermolecular forces approximately equal to the escaping tendency. And liquid state and gas state is intermolecular attractions, weak intermolecular attractions are present, any two particles, that is called gaseous state. That means mutual attractions solid state, mutual attractions in more greater than to the escaping tendency, and mutual attractions approximately equal to the escaping tendency in liquid state, and mutual attractions in less than far away to the escaping tendency, this is called gaseous state. Okay, this is physical difference between the solids. Next one, amorphous solids and crystalline solids. Difference between the amorphous solids and crystalline solids. Amorphous solids means in regular arrangement of particles, it is arrangement of particles in difference between the amorphous solids and crystalline solids. This one is crystalline solids. Crystalline solid. Crystalline solid means regular pattern, regular arrangement of particles. Regular arrangement of particles. Regular arrangement of particles present, that is called amorphous crystalline solid. And amorphous solid is irregular arrangement of present. Irregular arrangement means irregular arrangement. A B and B, A and B, A. This arrangement of irregular pattern. Irregular arrangement of present, that is called amorphous solid. Once regular arrangement of particles are present, definite shape and definite volume and definite geometry are possible in crystalline solids. In irregular arrangement of particles are called amorphous solids. No definite geometrical shape, no definite volume. This does not present in the amorphous solids. Next crystalline solid. Crystalline solid says definite sharp melting point and anisotropic nature, definite geometry. In crystalline solids is definite sharp melting point. That reason the particular point of temperature, solid particles in solid is in particular range temperature, particular temperature or 200 degree temperature, in completely solid converted to the liquid. This is sharp melting points is observed in crystalline solids. But amorphous solids, no sharp melting point, does not sharp melting point is observed. That reason, due to reason is range of temperature. That means solid particles that gives rise 80 to 200 degree temperature, range of temperature presence, the solid is converted to the liquid. This range of temperature are present here in amorphous solid. Due to that reason, no sharp melting point is observed. Next, crystalline solids are true solids and amorphous solids are supercooled liquids and supercooled liquids. Amorphous solids is supercooled liquids. This is long range order. True solids means solid particle temperature in pseudo solids and supercooled liquids in amorphous solids. And this is short range order amorphous solids, and crystalline solid is long range orders. In supercooled liquids means in old so many years of houses, and that means 15 years or 10 years old houses, you can observe this. In window of glass, the glass thickness is slightly decreases to the top to the bottom. Top glass is slightly decreases in thickness. In bottom of the glass slightly increases the thickness. Why? That reason is gravity force. In many of years, the glass particles in top of the particles can slowly down to the bottom of the particles. Top particles in slowly down to the bottom of the glass. That is called the supercooled liquids. Definition of supercooled liquids. Next, this is difference between the amorphous solids and the crystalline solids. Next one, space lot is unit cell, types of unit cell. First of all, you discussing about ionic crystals. Ionic crystals, metallic crystals, network crystals, molecular crystals. Ionic crystals means cations or anions are possible, that is called crystals in ionic crystals, can divided into cations and anions. This is ionic crystals. Metallic crystals means iron, zinc and cadmium. This is metals are excited in metallic crystals. Network crystals. Network crystals means in the form of covalent bonds, or all our covalent bonds are present. All our covalent bonds are present. The carbon, each carbon is covalent manner. True. Totally covalent bonds are present. That is called network crystals. In molecular crystals are in three types. One is molecular crystals are in three types. One is polar molecule, in non-polar molecule and hydrogen bonding molecules. Polar molecules means in AB, these delta positive charge and negative charge. These AB particles, strong dipole attractions are present. This is called polar molecules. And this is interstaining dipole attractions are present. That is called non-polar molecules. And hydrogen bonding molecules means in example, for example, ice is the present in hydrogen bonding. That is called molecular crystals. This type of molecular crystals. Next one, space lattice. Space lattice means space lattice depending on the arrangement of particles. The arrangement of particles, the particles in atoms or molecules or ions. Three types of atoms or molecules or ions. These types of atoms are arrangement in particles, two different manners. This is three-dimensional. Particles are arranged in three-dimensional fashion. That is called space lattice. Next, unit cell. Unit cell is small units. Repetitive pattern of small units are present. That is called unit cell. Next, types of unit cells. Types of unit cells are simple primitive unit cell. Types of unit cells are simple primitive unit cell. Types of unit cells are simple primitive unit cell, body centered cubic lattice, and face centered cubic lattice, and end face centered cubic lattice. This is types of unit cells. Next, explain that. This is cubic lattice. FCC and end face centered, in BCC and end face centered. Okay, first of all, this is corners. This is corners. In cubic structure, 8 corners are there. This is corners, 8 corners. And this is face centers. 6 face center, top face, bottom face, left, right and front face and back face. 6 faces and 12 edges. These are edges, 4 and these 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 edges are present. In only one body center are present. This is called 8 corners, 6 face center, 12 edge center, 1 body center are present. In first of all, 8 corners. The rigid sphere, every atom in rigid sphere, in 8 equal halves, that is 1 by 8 contribution. Every atom in rigid sphere in 2 equal half, 1 by 2 contribution. In 4 equal half, 1 by 4 contribution. Only one rigid sphere, this is body center, only one contribution. This is contribution. The unit cell content value or unit cell content value indicate the Z. The principle of number of particles are present in corners by 8 plus number of phase centers present, number of particles are present in phase centers by 2 plus number of particles are present in edges by 4 plus 1 body center. This is unit content value calculation principle. First of all, we are going to discussing in simple primitive unit cell. Simple primitive unit cell. Simple primitive unit cell, only simple primitive unit cell indicate in P. Body center is I, F center is F, end phase center is C. This indicates a symbol. In simple primitive unit cell, the particles are present in only 8 corners. The simple primitive unit cell, the particles are present in only 8 corners. Only 8 corners, the 1 by 8 contribution in corners 8 is equal 1 1 8 8 1 are, that contribution is 1. Simple primitive unit cell content value is 1. Next, body centered cubic lattice. Body centered cubic lattice in BCC. Body centered cubic lattice in BCC. Unit content value is particles are present in corners and 1 body center. Corners is 1 by 8 contribution into 8 plus 1 body center. 8 cancel 1 plus 1, that is equal to unit content value is 2. This is BCC. Next, FCC. FCC unit content value Z is equal, particles are present in corners and face centers. Corners is 8 corners. 8 into 1 by 8 plus 6 face centers. 6 into 1 by 2 contribution. 2 1s are, 2 3s are, 2 3s are, 8 1 1. 3 plus 1 is equal 4. The FCC unit content value is 4. Next, end phase centered unit content value. End phase centers, particles are present in corners and 2 opposite phase centers. Corners is 1 by 8 contribution, 8 into 1 by 8 plus only opposite phase centers, 2 into 1 by 2. 2 1s are 1, 8 1s are 1. This is equal to unit content value is 2. This is simple primitive unit cell, BCC body centered cubic lattice, FCC phase centered cubic lattice and end phase centered cubic lattice. This is end phase centered cubic lattice. Next, types of hexagonal close packing. Types of hexagonal close packing: 1-dimensional close packing, 2-dimensional close packing, 3-dimensional close packing. In 1-dimensional close packing, 2-dimensional close packing divided into 2 types: square close packing, hexagonal close packing. In 3-dimensional also 2 types. In first one, 1-dimensional close packing. 1-dimensional close packing, there is just one way of arranging the spheres. Just one way of arranging the spheres. In 1-dimension close packing, there is just one way of arranging the spheres. One way of arranging the spheres means the spheres all are arranged in this manner. The spheres are tightly bound to the each another. This packing is called 1-dimensional close packing. Next, 2-dimensional close packing. 2-dimensional close packing are divided into 2 types. One is square close packing, another one is hexagonal close packing. Square close packing is first spheres are arrangement in 1-dimensional close packing, or spheres are arranged this manner. Then after spheres, can above the spheres arranged in same vertical lines, same horizontal lines are present. In A type of particle, this one is A type of particle, this one is A type of particle, this one also A type of particle. This is called A type of particles are present. These layers are square layers are equal to the verticals or horizontal line. Each sphere arranged in or exists in 4 particles are present in each sphere. This is coordination number is 4. This is pattern is square close packing. Next hexagonal close packing. Two-dimensional hexagonal close packing. So the coordination number is 6. That coordination 6 is the every sphere attached in 6 spheres. This reason the coordination number is 6. But spheres are arrangement in A type of particles in present this manner, and after B particles they are arranging in different. A particles are different to the B particles. Another in third layer same A particles arranged in fourth layer same in B particles. AB pattern are present. This is called two-dimensional close packing, hexagonal close packing. Next, in hexagonal close two-dimensional close packing, square layers in two-dimension hexagonal layers are difference between. We compare square close packing with hexagonal close packing. We will observe that empty spaces are less in hexagonal close packing. Observe that empty spaces are less in hexagonal close pack. Packing then compared to square close packing. Hexagonal close packing and square close packing. This is a square close packing. This is hexagonal close packing. The packing efficiency are less. These spheres are space is less. This is space. More space are present. This is the spaces are available in the effect in packing efficiency. The packing efficiency principle is volume occupied by atoms by total volume occupied by area occupied by atoms by total area occupied by atoms. That is principle in packing efficiency. These empty spaces called voids are present in square layers, square close packing or hexagonal close packing in presence. These empty spaces are present here. These empty space that is called void. These voids are tetrahedral voids and octahedral voids are present in square close packing in two-dimensional manner. These empty space are voids are present. Next, three-dimensional close packing. Three-dimensional close packing means in three-dimensional close packing, first A layer are this is AB and AB, these layers, and first this one layer AB layer, then back side also AB layer. This is attached to the each other layers in three-dimensional manner. Layers in three-dimensional manner arranged. This is sphere. First top of the spheres in 6 hexagons are present. In as well as back side also 6 hexagons are spheres. This is three-dimensional manners are arrangement. AB arrangement. This is called hexagonal close packing in three-dimensional HCP. In three-dimensional manner, close packing are two types: square close packing and hexagonal close packing. Square close packings are divided into three-dimensional manner in square close packing and BCC close packing, and another hexagonal close packing HCP and second one is CCP, simple cubic lattice, and FCC. This square close packing is AA arrangement are possible in three-dimensional manner. This is called square close packing. In hexagonal close packing, square close packing in after divide in BCC. The atoms are present in BCC simple cube. This is square close packing divided into two types, three dimension. In another three-dimensional close packing, HCP and FCC. HCP close packing, the atoms are present in coordination number in 6, and CCC also, CCP or FCC coordination number also 6. No, 6 and another layer backside 6, 12 coordination number, and CCP also 12 coordination number. The voids are present in 12 coordination number. Octahedral voids are 12, but tetrahedral voids are 24 present in tetrahedral voids. That reason how to calculate it in voids, tetrahedral voids and octahedral voids. Octahedral voids in n spheres are present. To calculate the octahedral voids in n crystals are n particles are present, but octahedral calculate in n. But n crystals are present. To calculate in tetrahedral voids 2n. In 6 octahedral are present, but W the tetrahedral voids. In 12 octahedral voids are present, in double the tetrahedral voids. 24. These empty space are called voids. These voids are divided into two types, tetrahedral voids, another one is octahedral voids. This is voids, tetrahedral voids and octahedral voids. Tetrahedral voids in FCC, octahedral voids in FCC, tetrahedral voids in FCC. In octahedral voids, one body center plus 3 adjacents are present. Tetrahedrals are present in one body center and 3 adjacent are present. Total 4 octahedral voids. In tetrahedral voids are nearer to the corners. This is tetrahedral voids. Nearer to the corners means this in 4 and this one is 4. Nearer to the corners. This is 8 tetrahedral voids in FCC structure and 4 octahedral voids. This is one present in body centered, each one body centered, and 3 are edge centers. Total 4 octahedral voids are present in FCC and total tetrahedral voids are present in FCC 8. But in FCC lattice and three-dimensional manner, in HCP lattice and CCP lattice, in 12 octahedral voids are present. 12 octahedral voids are present in HCP lattice and CCP lattice also 12 octahedral voids, but tetrahedral voids is 24 tetrahedral voids are present. In HCP lattice 6 octahedral voids, coordination number also 6, but tetrahedral voids is 12. In CCP lattice, in 12 octahedral voids are present, but 24 tetrahedrals are present. Okay, do not understand? You understand? That means HCP three-dimensional manner, HCPR hexagonal close packing, CCP cubical close packing or FCC. Then HCP is 6 octahedral voids are present. CCP lattice 12 octahedral voids are present. 6 octahedral voids but 12 tetrahedral voids. 12 octahedral voids but 24 tetrahedral voids are present in HCP and CCP lattice. How you are going to tetrahedral voids and octahedral voids identify in FCC? In one is body center, another octahedral void is edge centers. In this is nearer to the corner in tetrahedral voids in FCC. In three-dimensional structure, this is solid state particles in three-dimensional structure. This is solid particles in three-dimensional manner. This is three-dimensional manner. This empty space is called voids. This empty space is called voids. This is three-dimensional manner. This empty space is called voids. How many voids are? How many types are voids? Two types of voids: tetrahedral voids and octahedral voids. These voids are affecting decreasing or increasing the packing efficiency. Effect of packing efficiency in voids is present. The effect of packing efficiency. Packing efficiency in principle, area occupied by atoms by total area occupied by atoms. That is called packing efficiency. In simple primitive unit cell, simple primitive unit cell packing efficiency is 52% and BCC packing efficiency is equal to 68% and FCC packing efficiency is equal to 74%. This is percentage of packing efficiency in simple primitive unit cell and BCC and body centered cubic lattice. 58% empty space is 48%, 68 empty space is 32%, 74 means 26% is in empty space in FCC. In packing efficiency, more is the packing efficiency FCC structure. In less is the packing efficiency simple primitive unit cell. Next, total in solid state chemistry. Thank you all. Today you are discussing the solid state chemistry. How you are discussing about in solid state chemistry? In first of all, fundamental definitions in physical state in solid and liquid and gas particles, and difference between the crystalline solid, amorphous solids. Main crystalline solid is anisotropic nature, but amorphous solid is isotropic nature. What is the reason? What is the reason? Okay. Wait. This is crystalline solid, anisotropic nature. Amorphous solid is isotropic nature. Anisotropic nature means this regular arrangement of particles, missing this definition. Regular arrangement of particles present here. Regular arrangement. Okay, regular arrangement. In two directions are possible. Two different directions are present here. Two different directions. This second direction, this side AA particles are present. This side BB particles are present. Same particles are present. Due to that reason, the crystalline solids are anisotropic nature. But amorphous solid is Isotropic nature. Isotropic nature means irregular pattern are observed this manner. Irregular pattern. Any two directions possible. The two right direction is AB arrangement or AB arrangement. Different arrangement are there. That crystalline solid is same arrangement, and these A particles are present, BB particles are present. These arrangement AB and AB, two regular arrangement are present. Due to that reason, this amorphous solid has an isotropic nature, crystalline solid is anisotropic nature. Next, we are discussing next type, simple space lattice, unit cell, types of unit cell, simple primitive unit cell, body centered cubic lattice. Space lattice means depending on arrangement of particles. The particle arrangement in three-dimensional manner. This is called space lattice. Unit cell means small units are present in unit cell. Next, types of unit cell. This is types of unit cell are simple primitive unit cell, body centered, face centered and face centered. Ionic crystals. And face centered structure and FCC. End face centered structure. Next, types of close packing. One dimensional close packing, three dimensional close packing, and two dimension is two different, square close packing and hexagonal close packing. Three dimensional also square close packing and hexagonal close packing. This is one dimensional close packing. This is two dimensional square close packing. This is two dimensional hexagonal close packing. This next one is two dimensional. Difference between the square close packing and hexagonal close packing, two empty space are present. The empty space is called voids. These voids are tetrahedral voids and octahedral voids. To calculate in tetrahedral voids and octahedral, n crystals are present. The tetrahedral voids is n, but the octahedral voids is n, but tetrahedral voids is 2n. The calculates in 2n. Next one is in octahedral voids. This one is tetrahedral voids. Next one, three-dimensional structure of close packing. Three-dimensional structure. This is crystals. This is crystals. This is crystals. But this is empty space. These empty space are voids. These voids are tetrahedral and octahedral voids. Next. Thank you all. Thank you. Today we are discussing the solid state chemistry. Thank you.